In today's video, I'll show you how to create multi-voice dialogue on ElevenLabs step by step. First, sign into your account and open the text-to-speech dashboard. Next, select the 11v3 model. Now choose the first voice you want to use from the voice library. Enter your script using clear speaker separation. For example, "Hi, how are you today?" "I'm doing great, thanks for asking." Now switch to the next voice. Select a different voice from the voice library for the second speaker. Split your script into separate generations, one for each speaker. Generate the first voice audio, then generate the second voice audio separately. Download both audio files. Now
Hi, how
open
are
a
you
video
today?
or audio editor.
I'm doing great.
Place
Thanks for
both
asking.
voice clips on the timeline in the correct order. Adjust timing so the conversation sounds natural. If needed, add pauses between lines for better flow. Finally, export your completed dialogue as a single audio file. And that's it. You've successfully created multi-voice dialogue on ElevenLabs. And that's how you create multi-voice dialogue on ElevenLabs.